This is the Anderson Stratos SUP CNC router. It's kind of tucked away in a corner of our shop. That goes to dust collection. Dust collection is not included, but there is a hookup here. There's spindle number 1, spindle number 2, which we haven't used. It's horizontal, and auto tool changer. There's the Fanuc 0MC HMI and the control cabinet. Control cabinet is threaded from a computer via RS-232. We're also including a micro DNC 2D device, which we haven't used or set up. Here's the pneumatic supply for all of the air cylinders. Here is the vacuum supply for the hold down table. That PVC tube goes off to a Becker vacuum pump, which is included. The vacuum hold down table can be turned on and off with these buttons, and just to show you that it works, there's the vacuum. There are also pop-up pins for workpiece alignment. So you can turn those on, and one of them is a little sticky. You can just push it down manually. But I'll go ahead and run a program. Currently there is no tool, so it'll do a tool change and start. So we go into auto mode, cycle start, and spindle's turning on, and it's just cutting a circle in air. You can see both axes are moving. And that is it.